that most of you have been working with me for the last 10 years, but for the people who do not know about Excelacom, I'd like to briefly explain about from where we started and what we are now. We started in the year 2006. That is the year in which we moved to the Sirisiri IT Park. And we started from our own premises, which is nearly 3-acre campus and which is having a building space to accommodate 1,000 employees. When we started in the year 2006, we were just 15 employees, and each and every year we have grown at a CAGR, that is cumulative average growth rate of nearly 100% each and every year. This growth rate is not only in the terms of sales, it is also in the terms of headcount and even on all parameters. Today we have nearly 600 employees, including the support staff.
Hi all, it gives me immense pleasure to talk about my company. I've been associated with Excelacom for the past 8+ years. I joined Excelacom as a college graduate and right now working as the Associate Project Manager for a client project. It makes me proud and happy to say that I had a wonderful career path in Excelacom. From the time I joined as a college graduate to where I am right now, it has given me a wonderful curve for my career. I still remember the first day I joined at work, and like any other normal person, I was all worried and tensed about what I'm going to do with my life. But Excelacom really cleared my career path and helped me to grow both as an individual as well as in my career.
I had been with Excelacom Technologies for the past 8.5 years. Excelacom Technologies is a great place for any individual to learn and to explore yourself. We at Excelacom work with the latest cutting-edge technologies which helps in individuals' career growth. We also get opportunities to interact with clients across the globe, and also we get the chances of traveling abroad and to work in the client's work location. Apart from this, I love the work environment at Excelacom Technologies, where we get continuous support from the colleagues and the management.
I'm associated with Excelacom for 9 years. Excelacom has always been a great place to start your career. Excelacom always gives an opportunity to every employee to learn and groom themselves in the personal and the professional growth. This is the company which recognizes the people talent at very right time. As it happened for me, I joined Excelacom with very basic knowledge and I'm very new to the technologies. Excelacom helped me and groomed me all throughout my career, and today I am an associate manager. I individually manage 2 projects. Thanks Excelacom. The support I received from the Excelacom management all through my career has always been excellent.
I joined in Excelacom as a fresher. We all know that Excelacom is a great place to work with. From fresher, now I am a manager for a team of 20 members working towards growth and exploration. I am very proud to be a manager of DevOps team, which is one of my best dreams in my life. Excelacom gave me so many opportunities to travel across the globe to United States, Europe and Africa. I love my job and Excelacom loves me.
Excelacom is a company in which always employees are given the first preference. See, we give the highest preference to our employees, and we are the very few companies in Sirisiri IT Park which operates AC buses to our employees. Apart from that one, we also have an in-house ATM. This one is very unique, which does not other companies have. We have opened a state-of-the-art gymnasium with the latest equipments. We are also having a creche facility which can be used by most of the women employees. Excelacom has 50% of its staff as women employees.
I've also never left my personal life at stake. From a girl to a mother of a 2-year-old right now, Excelacom had always made sure it gave me my personal space. It has also opened a daycare premises which helped me leave my kids at office and work tension-free because I'm able to beautifully balance my personal life and career life as well. Excelacom made me feel at home, and these are the major reasons that never let me quit Excelacom. I'm looking forward to work in the coming years and have a wonderful bonding with Excelacom.
I'm working as a business analyst trainee at Excelacom. As a fresher, I've always had a great support from my seniors in order to learn the products and the etiquettes. Traveling from a long distance from my home, I feel so secure in the hands of Excelacom because of the great admin facilities that have been provided. Also, being a part of the cultural committee, I am able to put in all my talents into reality and enjoy my career as well.
I joined as a fresher. It's a great experience being in Excelacom with amazing friends, supporting leads and colleagues.
I recently joined as a fresher in Excelacom. It gives me a great feeling to tell that I have got a great career to start over here at Excelacom.
I'm working with Excelacom as a facility manager. I'm extremely proud to say that I'm with Excelacom for 8 years. The reason behind is I found Excelacom as a thrilled place to work in all means. The way management supports, the way the facility is being given. In Excelacom, the life is very balanced life in terms of professional as well as personal.
Excelacom is always different from other startups or any other corporates which has been started from. the scratch. See, we even from the day one, we were working for one of the biggest telecom player in the world. They are the Verizon. We are the world's #1 wireless company. From that particular day until today's date, we have gained a lot of new customers, and the customers we have gained are Fortune 50 clients across the globe. Today, we are dealing with top 10 telecom players across the globe. That one is mainly because of Excelacom capability of delivering high quality and on-time deliverables. Satisfied customer is a repeat customer. We are able to gain more and more business from the same client mainly because of higher levels of customer satisfaction.
Something for the benefit of the employees, the approvals are very easy. That means the priority in Excelacom, the main asset of Excelacom is employees. So it's very easy to give the facilities to employees because of the very core support from the management.
I joined Excelacom as a fresher, but Excelacom have never treated me so. They gave me many responsibilities where I have started owning a product with the experience of 6 months. With an overwhelming support, I have started to interact with clients directly and grow in my personal career.
I joined here in 2003 and I've been working here for the last 12 years now. So at the very early stages of my career, I was given an opportunity to work in the US for a long term. That really helped me to come out of my cage and do different kinds of roles, from a developer to a production support team and IT operations and many different roles. Once coming back from the US, I've been leading different teams in different projects, and here I am now managing the core R&D components that defines the roadmap of Excelacom.
I joined here as a recruiter in 2010. Within a very short span of time, I got an opportunity to become as a business partner, which is very critical at Excelacom. Thanks for believing me.
I joined as a fresher, learned so much from Excelacom, and now I have been promoted as Associate Project Manager. Work is my passion, I love my job, and I love Excelacom.
I'm working as a business analyst here at Excelacom for around 5 years now. At Excelacom, we strive hard to solve customer problems and create a world-class customer experience. As part of product design, we develop applications which cater to communications and high-tech industries and promise to be a responsible IT partner. At Excelacom, we take ownership for all our decisions and actions, and this gives an amazing feeling as you grow as an individual and as a company. We get to meet highly passionate people at our onshore and offshore offices, and this drives us and inspires us on a daily basis to produce the best output.
2015 has been a very, very successful year for us. During this year, we have opened one more branch office at Philadelphia. This one is over and above our 7 offices which is located across the world. Excelacom is an organization which gives always highest priority for quality certifications. As part of this continuous improvement process, for the last 5 years, we have been certified and audited by 3 major certifications, which is SAS 70, ISO 27001 and CMMI Level 3 certifications. Very rarely companies go for 3 certifications, and have been successfully being audited and certified by all the 3 certificates for the last 7 to 8 years. This one is a big achievement for a company like Excelacom. Excelacom is currently in talks with bigger clients for bigger volume of business. With the strong sales pipeline for the coming years, we would be reaching our next milestone of 1,000 employee organization very soon.
Under the leadership of some major industry experts, Excelacom is writing an ambitious journey ahead, and I'm proud to be a part of it.
Excelacom allows the freshers to come out of the nutshell and nurture in their lives. I'm happy that I started my career at Excelacom.
Great opportunity, great challenge. It's Excelacom.
I take this opportunity to thank each and everyone in Excelacom for making us grow to this level. I really appreciate each and everyone's hard work, dedication and loyalty towards the organization. Thank you once again.
Happy and proud to be part of Excelacom.
I'm so very proud to be part of the Excelacom family.
Great to be part of Excelacom family.
I cherish being a part of Excelacom family.
Proud to be an Pearl in Excelacom Ocean.
Happy to be a part of Excelacom.
I'm proud to be a part of Excelacom.
I'm proud to be part of Excelacom.
I feel proud to be an Excelacom.
Proud to be an Excelacom.
I am Bhaskar. I am Prabhakar. I am Abdul. I am Magesh.
I am Shriyam. I am Karthik. I am Manoj.
Proud to be an Excelacom.